What's good YouTube? This is Aaron from Certified Producers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a StaySolidRocky type beat. We're going to start off with Staying With Piano from Keyzone, and we're going to be laying down melodies on F major.
Come back with them bands,
Next I pulled up the less than stable FG preset from Harmless, and I laid down some chords. For the piano, I added a compressor that had the preset of cinematic piano, and I also added a reverb. For the second melody, I added Sound Goodizer with the default settings on, and next I added a reverb. The next thing I did was add a bass. For the 808s, this is what I went with. For the hi-hats, this is what I came up with. The clap is simple, nothing too special. For the kick, this is what I went with. For the open hats, I created two versions. This is what the drums sound like together. This is the final beat. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever the next video is uploaded. Let's get it.